climate action in Las Piedras Subbasin. The reason why I took the course on climate action in biodiverse landscapes goes around the problematic in an important landscape close to my city. This was going to be the location of a study from my graduation project. The project had emphasis in the influence of climate change and the tourism on the water resource. Climate action participates in the management of the ecosystem, helping to mitigate and adapt the changes that occur in the landscape. The main, the main problem in the landscape is the degradation of the subbasin quality and the water pollution generated by the population close to the subbasin. This generates many climate-related issues like increasing temperature, decreasing carbon dioxide detention, production of greenhouse gases, among others. These effects can accelerate the climate change in the landscape. There are many stakeholders that are vulnerable to the climate change, but the ones that will more affected are the peasants and the indigenous groups that inhabit the area, because they use directly the resources provided by the subbasin, water resource, land used for agriculture, forestry, and almost all the economical entry from these stakeholders comes from the services that are presented for the subbasin. The first measure that needs to be first put in action in the landscape is restoration of riverside forest to avoid erosion and soil loss, because this measure will help the inhabitants from the subbasin and it will help to maintain the soil fertility, will help maintain the functional dynamics of the subbasin. Me, as a part of the academy, will help to direct the process by facilitating theoretical, conceptual, and methodological tools that helps to achieve the objectives. It could also help the community understand the economy and environmental benefits that these actions will bring to the people who inhabit the area.